Hello everybody, welcome back. This is episode 5 of Minecraft, the Scots. Today we're going to build our house, aren't we, Calum?
Yes, we are.
Or we're going to start building the house.
We're going to start. I don't think we'll finish today.
No, I don't think we'll finish either.
But hopefully we can get a good start on it.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
I've been very good. How have you been?
I've been okay. So, plans for this episode. Realistic plans.
At least get the first floor done.
Okay, I think that's reasonable.
Okay.
I'm just going to start.
Oh, this looks very fancy.
Oh, maybe I should... Oh, I don't know. Let's just try it 2 different ways and see which way looks better.
Okay. So are we going to have, like, inside this bit?
Looks bad.
Right. Are we gonna...
I'll make one wall and then I'll show you.
How are we going to split the inside of it? Are we going to split it into sections, the inside of the house?
I think so. We can have a big divide along here where the floor goes up. And you know, this can be our viewing room.
Okay.
The chest can be at the back.
Okay. And then we can have like a spiral staircase in the middle center bit, which goes up to the second floor.
Yeah.
And then we can have that as my bedroom, your bedroom.
Oh, no, that's wrong.
Once we find sheep. Do you want me to go out and see if I can find sheep?
That would probably be useful, to be honest.
Yeah, while you build. And then we can have like a... Do you want to have a third floor as well?
I think it's a bit ambitious.
Well, we could add a third floor eventually. And then
Yeah.
extensions on the sides and stuff.
Maybe our extension could have a tower, if that's what you want.
Yeah, like a turret. A turret kind of thing.
Yeah. Sure.
That would be pretty cool. Yeah, we should do that. Oh, there's the ocean. Okay.
Where are you going?
I'm just going out to try and find sheep
Okay.
to shear them so we can get beds. Because it's episode 5 and we still don't have beds.
Yay. It's because we're living on the edge, Cal.
Living on the edge. So we've not actually slept yet
No.
in the whole of the
Been-
series. We've been
days and
awake.
Days without sleeping.
Days without sleep.
As you
Okay.
can tell, we're
I can't look at a cave and just think, nah. I just have to go down it.
Yeah.
It's a hole, and every hole is a goal.
Every hole is a goal.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a pretty good saying.
There
Right.
could maybe be sheep here somewhere.
Trying to think of the best way to
What kind of
do this.
biome is this called? Plains biome. Oh, what's this? Oh, achievements and stuff. Cool. Right. Okay.
Oh.
How's the house coming along?
It's going okay. I'm just kind of setting up the first wee layer.
Okay. Do sheep spawn in plain biome, like the plains?
I don't know, to be honest.
There's plenty of bunnies and stuff, but there's no sheep.
No sheep.
I haven't seen any sheep in this whole world.
Oh.
Oh, there's like a little shelter. That's
Oh,
pretty
we
cool.
will need glass. That's one thing. that I
Yeah.
forgot.
Oh, a mountain. Once it eventually loads. Oh, that's a big mountain.
Big mountain. Yep.
Oh, that's quite a lot of mountains. Is there like mountain biomes now? There must be. Oh, a little lava. A little lava water pool. Not a water pool.
A little lava water.
A waterfall. Well, it's lava, so would you call it a lava fall?
Yeah.
I don't really know. You needed sand, right? And there's tons where I am, so I'll get some.
Not a whole lot, but you know, some would be useful.
I'll get a bunch.
Oh, I think I've picked just the right amount of logs.
Perfect. That should be enough.
Oh, I actually picked too many.
Oh wow, this is quite... Sheep! I found sheep! Okay.
Don't kill too many.
I'm not going to kill any of them, I'm just going to... I've got shears,
Oh,
so...
right. Oh, we're prepared. For once.
I know. For once we're prepared.
For this situation.
Oh wow, I want to explore this place. It's like mountains and stuff. Right, we can explore. We can explore it another day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much did I get?
Right. Let's see.
I got 8 wool. Perfect. I think it's this way to get back.
The house is going to be a little bit raised.
That's fine.
Actually,
You're the designer.
it's kind of going to be.
You're the architect.
Pretty on level with the ground.
Okay.
What do you want the floor to be made out of? Because you could sort that out if you want. Have a nice birch floor.
Birchwood. Sure.
That's just a suggestion. You can have whatever you want.
I don't mind.
Okay.
You're the designer. You know best.
Well. So
Hmm.
you keep telling
I
me.
might be lost.
Show me your coordinates.
Yeah.
Here we have x is 192.
192.
Well, 190.
190.
Yeah.
Okay.
And z is 98.
Okay, I'm heading the right direction.
Right direction.
Right, the right diction. Yes, I can talk. I know my English very well. Birch, that's what you wanted, right?
It is.
Okay, I can get some birch.
No, we might not have enough.
Birch. Birch. Is it actual birch wood or birch planks that you want?
I don't mind. Whatever you want the floor to be with it. I'm easy with anything. Ow.
I'm just gonna chop down a bunch of these.
Have they decreased the reach?
The reach of what?
Like how far you can reach down the way? Because I can't remember.
I have no idea. Oh, I know where I am. I know where I am.
Oh, he knows.
Calum.
Yes.
Calum. Oh wow,
Hello.
looks pretty nice.
This is gonna. Okay, so it's like this. We're gonna have. You could have another layer if you want. On top of this. Up to you. Don't mind. Then we're gonna have a big birch roof.
Nice.
No, not birch. Spruce. Spruce wood.
Yeah.
Oh.
Beds. That's the one. Okay.
It's been climbing all over the place. I'm like Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Okay. I'll put beds in here. No, I won't bother. I'll put them over here actually.
That's problem, Cal. I'm out. I'm going sick. Or diarrhea or whatever you want to call it.
No.
I know. It's terrible.
Do you want to get more?
Yeah.
Okay.
To be honest, I can work on the floor until you get back.
Okay.
Oh, I've got.
Oh, I'll drop off my stuff that I collected.
Well, there's a little bit of diet. It's diarrhea, I think. There's a little bit of diarrhea. Oh, there we go. Got 8 more.
I'm gonna make another. I'm gonna make a double chest.
Oh yeah. Double chest in it.
Yeah, because we. Ugh,
Shall
that's
I
what we
make
need.
some doors.
Yeah, go for it.
Good. And shall I move? Oh,
Oh my gosh, I am a noob.
Oh, shall we sleep?
Yeah. You're just holding a door while you sleep.
Let's go, Calum. I like to be ready for the morning where I can get up and get straight to work.
Yeah.
Yep. Ah, there we go.
Okay.
That's awkward. It gives me 3 doors.
Well, you have spares.
So
We're having multiple entrances, remember? So.
Yes, we are. Okay.
Are we gonna have double door entrances?
Yes, of course, Cal.
Okay, that's good. I don't like single door.
Right, what kind of floor do you want?
Uh,
If you wanted any
I think
type
I've been
of
down
floor,
this cave.
what type of floor would you have, Cal?
If I could have any kind of floor,
There's lots of birch. Yeah, we could have that if you want.
I kind of want a dark floor.
Dark floor?
Dark floor.
Okay, I can do that. Do you want a spruce floor?
Yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah, I've been down this cave.
Just make all the spruce. Okay. Maybe we can have a birch other stuff. What other birch? Stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's really great, Calum, that we have so much food.
I know. It's
Our farm was so successful.
It was a very successful farm.
I mean, in a matter of seconds.
Seconds, we had that much food.
It was great.
It really was.
I never knew I was so talented at making farms.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, come see this floor. It's fab.
I'm getting your diorite for you.
Are you?
Yeah.
You actually got it?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I've been distracted by coal.
Yep, that's right, everyone. Mining. He's mining, but I'm mining planks of wood with a pickaxe. Yes.
Oh wow, this is a lot of coal.
Oh. We might need some more spruce. I can get that though.
Yeah, there's like a spruce forest right next to us, so
I just need to remember to replant. Oh, I better go replant.
I can hear a ton of mobs all around me just dying.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
I don't know where they are.
It's nice.
Oh, diorite.
Is it the white stuff?
Yep.
Okay.
I can see white, even though I'm colorblind.
Oh. So Calum, how does that affect your gameplay experience?
Well, in some games I have to change, like, if they have colorblind settings, I look through them. And if they've got the type of colorblindness that I have, I can't actually pronounce the type of colorblindness I have.
Oh. That's useful.
I'll maybe edit it and then edit this video and put it up right now at this point, what kind of is. But it means I can't see certain colours, like I can't see the right shades on the spectrum of light or something like that.
Yeah, okay.
I could just be talking nonsense right now.
That's all we ever do though, Calum, so it's okay.
But yeah, it's something like that, like my eyes can't process the wavelengths of the light or whatever, so then it, physics. If you have no idea what we're talking about, you didn't take physics, then we're sorry. But
no, we're not.
yeah, we're not sorry.
YouTubers.
But
That's what we are now. We're not sorry.
yeah. So my eyes can't see it, and it replaces it with things that it can see. Well, like the wavelengths my eyes tries to squeeze the wavelengths, and my eyes like
grammar.
I don't know, maybe it's like
well
whatever it is, right? Shut up. It like it changes. Oh, I give up.
Look at Calum. Whoa.
I give up.
I found some floating snow.
Floating snow.
Yeah.
Oh, my pick. Oh, I've got it. My pick. Okay. I've got a stack and a half of diorite.
What? Oh wow. Yes.
How much do you need?
Not that much, but if we want another level, we're gonna need for each window, and there are quite a few windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are we gonna have the front entrance, like not the front entrance, but the front of it, just a complete glass wall kind of thing, so we can see the lake and stuff?
Oh, if you want to, you can.
And then on the second floor,
we'll have the glass wall extending up.
On the second floor, we'll have a glass window that can let us see.
A stained glass window. Or do you want?
Oh, we could do a stained glass window.
The stained glass looks much better.
All my picks broken. Yeah. I'm gonna come back to you, and
bring it all back to you.
I think we'll have to end.
Oh, progress has been made.
A lot of progress has been made in this episode. Probably the most we've ever made.
Oh, how much sand have you got? And we'll see about that window.
27.
Okay. That's something to go.
We can make what are they called? Glass panes.
Yeah.
We can make them.
Oh, do you know all the blocks of glass? So because it'll look better.
Nah, I prefer the panes. You get more for it as well. You get like 16.
Yeah, I suppose so. I need to chop down this tree to get more wood for the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So I'm chopping trees. See that?
Oh, okay.
See that wall in front of you, though? Yeah. See if we take away all the diorite from.
And then replace
front.
it with the glass and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does that
Yeah.
sound good?
Yeah. Oh, hello. Right.
Hello.
Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up.
Prepare.
I'm gonna wrap it up with a snowball. Oi!
Oh,
It's time to go.
just a moment. Just one moment. Oh,
Oi!
oh. There we go.
Oi, you!
Yeah.
Come on,
You me.
we're done.
Shall we go stand outside the house?
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I can totally door. Oh, that's a nice wee entrance. Okay. So yeah. Goodbye, everyone. We've made a lot of progress in this video. Next time.
Sorry. Is that your far?
In the next step, that was a waste of an arrow.
Between the eyes.
In the
It's in
next,
my butt. Oh, gosh.
it's in your butt.
Oh gosh. Oh god.
Okay. Anyway, in the next episode, we're gonna finish the flooring. Probably gonna finish the first floor.
Yeah.
We'll add the ceiling.
Get the big glass room. The glass thing in.
We'll start adding things in, and then we will add the second floor. So basically, we're just gonna build the house. We need to get some gear for us as well, like proper gear, because we only have boots. Yeah. But anyway, goodbye.